I'm going to use a case statement to change the color of the form. So the user is going to select a color in a radio group, and then we will change the color of the form according to what the user chose in the radio group. Okay, so first I'm going to add a radio group. Going to change the caption to color so that the user knows that he needs to change the or choose a color here. Then I'm going to add some items to my radio group. Let's make the first one red, green, blue, and yellow. Okay, I'm going to add a button. Change to change the color. Okay, it's going to be under the event of the button on click. So I'm going to say case radio group one.item index. If you're going to check the value of that item index, if the item index is 0, that means that the first one is selected. So you should change the color of the form 1 dot color is equals to CL red. So we change the color to red. Copy and paste. If the second one is selected, we need to change the color to green. If the third one is selected, that means the item index is 2. We'll change it to blue. If the fourth one is selected, the color should be yellow. Okay, else. Let's say the user did not pick one of the options in the radio group and he then clicks on change. Let's show message something there. Show message. Please select a color. Let's test the coding. Okay, I'm not going to select anything now. Click on change. Please select a color. Click the first one. Change the color of the form to red. Green, blue, and yellow. Okay, so this is the S end is for the case statement. Okay, so case statement doesn't have a begin over here, but it does have an end. Another thing to note, before your else, remember to remove that semicolon before the else. And that is about it for case statement, to change the color of your form.